Hello all, welcome to our channel House Match Daily. Today we are going to see the floor plan 26 by 45 east facing house plan. Total plot area is 1170 square feet and built up area is 968 square feet. The entrance in the northeast corner, we gave option for underground water tank, bore, some rainwater harvesting. As per Vastu, this water items we can place in the northeast direction. And then septic tank we can place nearly under the stairs, like southeast of east side. And then staircase is available in the southeast of east side. Under staircase, there is a store and electrical room in the size of 6 feet, 6 feet 6 inch by 5 feet. After entering in the main door, there is a hall in the size of 12 feet 3 inch by 15 feet 9 inches. Uh, TV and sofa are set in this plan, and then kitchen is available in the southeast of east side, in the size 10 feet by 8 feet. In the kitchen, a stove is placed in the east wall so that while cooking we can face east direction. As per Vastu, while cooking, facing east is very good. And then sink is available in the northeast corner. Uh, and then fridge we kept in the southwest corner. Nearby kitchen, there is a common toilet and the size of 10 feet by 3 feet 6 inches. And then master bedroom is available in the southwest corner in the size 10 feet by 13 feet 6 inches. With attached toilet 10 feet by 4 feet. In both the toilets, commode is placed facing north side. We should sit the commode facing either in the south or north side. Here we kept in the facing north. And then kids bedroom is available in the northwest corner. Northwest is mostly suitable for girls and ladies. They can stay in this northwest bedroom in the size of 12 feet 3 inch by 9 feet 6 inches. Back door also available in this kids bedroom. And then in the first floor, there is a huge balcony in the size of 11 feet 9 inches by 11 feet 6 inches. Uh, Almost same like ground floor. First floor rooms are there with one kitchen in the same southeast corner in the size of 10 feet by 8 feet, and hall in the northeast side in the size of 12 feet 3 inch by 15 feet 9 inches, and common toilet 10 feet by 3 feet 6 inches, and master bedroom 10 feet by 13 feet 6 inches with attached toilet 10 feet by 4 feet. And then again, kids bedroom in the size of 12 feet 3 by 9 feet 6 inches, same like the ground floor, with extra attached balcony, 12 feet 9 inches by 3 feet. So, in the first floor built up area is 1016 square feet, and ground floor is 968 square feet. So, if you like this video, subscribe for more house plans like this, and like and share to your friends and family. If anyone needs house plan, you can refer them. For more house plans and designs like this, you can check out our website www.houseplantdaily.com, and our store website www.houseplants.world. Many house plans and designs you can download it for free and premium. Uh, Many house plans PDF and DW files and PDF books are available. In our PDF books, you will get a collection of huge ideas of house plans and designs. Also, our apps are available in the Google Play Store. House plans and design. This is our wallpaper app. You can download our house plans and designs images for free. And house designs and plans. Plan is this is our store app. You can directly download house plans and design files here. And design is this is ebook app. If anyone interested to learn our Vastu house plans, we are going to conduct a 30 days online class. You can contact us through WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is 9952029063. For more details, you can check out our website. Thanks.